All right, just installed some Mabett interior lights. Super easy, plug and play. Let me show you. This is what they look like installed off either side. You literally just pop out any accessories that you got there. Get a pry tool. Pop out this little guy right there with the pry tool. And then everything just folds out. Super easy. And then you just line the cord inside that panel there, and then just snap it back up in place. So install took about 10 minutes, but everything's hidden. It's not too bad. It's gonna be great light for at nighttime. Here, hold on, just one more. So when you actually do install this, it just plugs right in on the inside, right up here, piggybacks onto that guy. All right, installing this back light here. Things pulled out. Plug and play. Just gotta peel some strips and orient it on there and pop it on. Yeah, got everything installed, guys. Turns on with the door. Got the other lights. Got their top as well. Got it pulled down because I got my front tops on. Anyhow, works great. Easy install. Gotta love it. Fancy.